Hey everybody, welcome back to Record-ology. How are you guys doing? I hope you're having a great time, a great week. This is by special request. I wanted to talk about how to replace these white tipped styli or needles, which by the way, stylus, styli, needle refers to the same thing. Singular, plural, all that good stuff. Anyway, so this is a very common needle or stylus that you're gonna see on a lot of entry-level record players. The AT-3600L, that's what it is. Audio-Technica makes this. It's on a lot of Crosley, a lot of Audio-Technica, House of Marley, a lot of third-party products use this. It's a great, high-quality, although very affordable, entry-level cartridge. So the cartridge is permanently attached to this tone arm, to this head shell, just like the LP60. So you can't upgrade the entire cartridge, but you can and will need to eventually replace the needle or stylus. So the cartridge is not replaceable or doesn't need to be replaced in most cases on anything, but the stylus can be. So what would happen is, so this is a diamond tip stylus. Now this whole white plastic housing around the front is considered the stylus assembly, even though the actual stylus is that little teeny tiny metal rod, which is called a cantilever, and the ensuing little point at the bottom, which is the needle or stylus itself. But this whole piece right here is designed to be easily upgraded, and I get a lot of questions, how do I do that? So it's very simple. All you need is your hands, 2 fingers really, and it just rotates down and pulls away, just like that. You should always have the stylus guard on there, the little protector, the plastic, clear plastic, which I don't have on there right now. But you have to take it off in order to do this, I believe, for this one. But yeah, you'll see there's like a little tab on the back, and that just hooks back into the cartridge. So to replace it, put the new one up and push it back in, just like that. And again, it'll come out like that. If yours doesn't as freely come out as mine, just use your fingernails up in there, pull down gently like that, and then pull it away. It's as simple as that. That metal part there, that silver part, that is the cartridge itself. So that, on this unit and the LP60 and some others, can't be upgraded or changed, but you don't really need to. It does a fine job. Well, none of this is going to damage your records, blah, 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 blah. These are great, great stylus and cartridges. But that's how that works. So simple as that. Now, another one you're going to see fairly frequently is this. This is also by Audio-Technica. This is the VM95E. And it is, and by the way, before I forget, a replacement needle for this stylus, what I just replaced there, that's about a $20 replacement. But you're not going to need to do this but every 2 to 4 years, probably, depending on how often you use your turntable, because that diamond tip there is going to last a long, long time. And you don't need to count plays or be worried about it. It's one day you're going to play a record and it's going to sound all fuzzy and distorted, and you're going to be like, okay, something's wrong. That's when to replace your needle. And until that happens, you can keep trucking along. Depending on some people's usage, they can last for years. But anyway, back to this. So this is the VM95E. It's a little bit higher end, but also a good, fairly entry-level cartridge. You'll see this equipped with a lot of turntables right out of the box. So this is the entire cartridge, but I wanted to show you how to replace the stylus or needle on this as well. So it's pretty simple. I do take the stylus guard off on this one in order to do the replacement. And instead of hinging away, and again, like this one, the white was the stylus housing. This one, it's the green. So the silver part, the cartridge, the top piece doesn't need to be changed, but the colored piece is the stylus assembly. So that's what we're gonna be replacing. So this one, you just pull it straight down. It's as simple as that. And then you can replace this. I think this is more like $20 to $30-ish to replace this needle. And then to put it back, it just goes straight on like that. You don't need any tools. You can just use your hands. It's ready to go. Obviously, you would be doing this probably with it already mounted to your turntable, but I happen to have this one loose. So again, this is what you replace. You don't need to replace your cartridge. Somebody asked me once, do I need to buy a new cartridge every time? No, you don't. This is permanent as long as you want it. It's not going to wear out or break. It just doesn't happen unless you're a super user, and then you're looking at like 20 years down the road, you may need to replace it. But most people will never replace this out of necessity. This, the stylus, is what you actually need to replace. And it goes on just as simple as that. All right, guys, I hope that was helpful, informative, all that good stuff, maybe even a little bit entertaining. If you want to learn more about turntable stuff, record players, product reviews, check out our new videos. that we've got coming up soon. We've also got a whole heck of a lot of old videos that we've done over the last few years, so check that out. I'll get a lot of questions on stuff we've already covered, which is fine, but I don't want you guys to miss out on those older videos. Check out our playlist, Videos You Never Watched, because some of the best videos we've done but didn't get a lot of viewership are included in that playlist as well. All right, guys, hit me thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already. I appreciate you being out there. Love you guys. Happy record hunting, and we'll catch you next time.